So we're I'm sacrificing. Yes, but it'll be fun.
You excited?
Yes.
Ready
yes.
to do it?
Yes.
All right, buddy. Tell me your name and where you're from.
Craig Anderson from Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
Neighbors are trying to kill me, so I'm jumping out.
Wow!
Is this going to be one of those murder TV shows? Murder porn? All right. That crazy neighbor, we're fixing him this time.
Don't have to worry about his parties anymore.
All right, buddy. Well, we're about to go skydiving. You ready for this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are y'all ready for this, guys?
Yes.
All right. Don't worry. I didn't tell him what you paid me $20 to do. All right.
Up there.
Yes, sir.
Let's go do it. All right, buddy, we jumped, we landed, we survived. What'd you think of that?
Yes, it was so cool.
Hey,
Thank you.
Thanks for Chattanooga Skydiving Company. I'm Wizard. I'll see you again next time.
Yes.
Peace out.
Peace out.